What is wrong with this set of instructions? Take a look and apply the ideas we've talked about so far. Pause the video and take a look at these. These aren't very good, are they? No, not at all. What's all wrong with them? Well, where did the bread come from? What should we use to spread the peanut butter on the bread? Should we spread it on one piece of bread, on two pieces of bread, on which sides of the bread? 3 is not a step, that's a tip or no, it's a tip. Number 4, that's knife. That's nice, but it doesn't really help us a whole lot. 5, put the lid back. We didn't know we took it off in the first place. This thing is just a horrible, horrible mess. How about these instructions here then? Are these any better? Pause the video for a moment, take a look, and come back once you've made up your mind. These instructions are much better, aren't they? It's telling us step by step what to do. Now, number 1 has got a couple of not really sub-steps, but related things. Take out bread, peanut butter, and a knife. That's 3 separate things, but at the same time, they're all closely related, so we can put them together. Use a knife to spread the peanut butter on one side of the bread slice. Okay, good. Slices together with peanut butter inside. Yes, good to know. Then wash things and put them away. There's a note. Oh, yeah, much better. Now, are these perfect? By no means. But they're a heck of a lot better. What is one glaring problem, though, that you see? Notice the sandwich, the picture of it. It's nice to have an illustration of a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Oh no, jelly. Is there jelly anywhere in the steps? No, there is not. So this is a major, major problem that you would have to address. Finally, let's talk about conclusions. You want to make sure your conclusion is informative. Give a feedback statement. Always tell your reader what it is that they can expect after they follow the instructions. Words, pictures. Pictures are really nice to have, but always do that. You can provide an option statement. An option statement suggests other uses and options that someone can do with whatever it is that they have ended up with. For example, your food will be hot, but not as brown as if heated in the oven rather than in the microwave. A few minutes of standing time will complete the cooking cycle and distribute the heat uniformly. Do you see a feedback statement here? How about right there? Your food will be hot, but not as brown as if heated in the oven rather than the microwave. That is what you will get once you follow the instructions. Do you see an option statement? Yes, indeed. You can let it sit a little while to complete the cooking cycle and distribute the heat uniformly. Do you have to do this? No. Is it a good idea? Yes. This is a options statement. So let's recap everything we've talked about very quickly. Focus on your audience's needs. What is it they need to do? What is it they need to do in order to get where they want? Keep your instructions as simple as possible. Make sure you create a detailed title and a helpful introduction that doesn't focus on what the thing is, but instead focus on telling people what they need to know about it. Chunk up and label the actions and figures appropriately. Use lots of visual signals. Make sure you don't skip any obvious steps. Always conclude with a feedback statement. And one more time, just so we are absolutely, completely, totally crystal clear, give the user the information that she or he needs. Thanks very much for watching, and have a good day.